Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sukra's World. Before going into the video, please do subscribe to my channel. First of all, for making the pot, take 5 brown colored quilling papers, paste them and quill them as shown in the video. Now, by using your fingers, press the center part of the quilt coil and give it a shape of a plant pot. Add some Fevicol inside the pot for making the pot retain the shape and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Now, take any wire and using blade, remove the copper wire inside it. Now, start twisting it from one of its end and quill it until it becomes the size of the pot. Now, using one or two strands of copper wire, roll the copper coil which you have quilled just now so that it remains strong. Make sure you cut the extra part of the wire. Now, divide the remaining copper wire into two equal number of strands and twist them to make the stems. Now, by using Fevistick or any good adhesive, stick the stems to the main stem and let it dry for few minutes. After drying, stick the plant to the pot with the help of a Fevistick or any good adhesive. Now, take a red colored paper and cut it into a small circle and draw a spiral shape on the circle. Now cut the circle along the spiral shape. Now pull it and stick the base to make the mini rose flowers. As shown in the video, also make green leaves out of green paper. Now paste the rose flowers and leaves to the stem as shown in the video and let it dry. For some detailing, paste tea or coffee powder as mud with the help of Fevicol. At last, take any cardboard and cut it in a circular shape and paste it to the base of the pot. Hey guys, it's done. Hey guys, one more thing. Many of you are watching my videos but not subscribing. So please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.